Splinters come in all shapes and sizes and can be surprisingly painful. Removing a splinter promptly can help reduce pain and prevent infection. I'm Dr. Preetha Agarwal, a board-certified dermatologist. Follow these tips to safely remove a splinter. To prevent infection, start by washing your hands and the affected area with soap and water. Gently pat the skin dry. Next, inspect the splinter to determine which removal method to use. If the splinter is very small, use a magnifying glass to see which direction it entered the skin. If part of the splinter is sticking out of the skin, use tweezers to remove it. First, sterilize the tip of the tweezers by using rubbing alcohol. Then, use the tweezers to pull the splinter out from the direction it entered the skin. Never try to squeeze out a splinter. This may cause it to break into smaller pieces that are harder to remove. If the splinter is embedded under the skin, you can use a sterilized needle to remove it. Start by sterilizing both the needle and tweezers with rubbing alcohol. Then use the needle to gently pierce the surface of the skin at one end of the splinter. Continue to use the needle to carefully push out part of the splinter. Once the end of the splinter is sticking out, use tweezers to gently remove the rest. After removal, clean the area with soap and water and apply petroleum jelly. Keep the area covered with a bandage until it heals. If your splinter is very large, deep, located in or near your eye, or if the area becomes infected, partner with a board-certified dermatologist for treatment.